Good morning, candidates. Karnataka Bank Law Officers Interview. Uh, please pay rupees 503 rupees to Gpay or Phone Pay. Number is 90030375557 and send screenshot to WhatsApp number 90030375557. Also, fill the Google Sheet for which I'll be giving the link in the comments column of this video. And yeah, that's what is given here. Now, this is the content given. Namely, Karnataka Bank. Now, so far, about 4 candidates have joined. I will put you into that Karnataka Bank group where you can interact with each other. And afterwards, we can have mock interviews, 2 mock interviews I will conduct. Actually, you are supposed to prepare on various acts like Negotiable Instruments Act, then Transfer of Property Act, Contract Act, Partnership Act, Companies Act, Surface Act, then IBC, then FEMA, and almost all these Indian Majority Act, all these things you have to study, then participate in the mock interviews. Thank you. Thank you so much.